It is the most wonderful time of the year. It's officially tax season.
So tax season is very important when it comes to home ownership. You know, if you have a business, if you're a LLC owner, or if you're an S corp owner, knowing how your income is going to be looked at from a mortgage perspective is really important. So it's good to start preparing for that now before you file in 2025. And if you need to work within a certain budget or
Hmm.
you need to show a certain amount of income, a mortgage lender and your tax preparer can communicate so that by the time April comes, we don't have to worry about what you're going to show in 2025. We can use a 1 year tax return program, conventional loan, and we'd be able to help you get into that home without having to make too many major changes.
Definitely. I think it's important for people to understand that having your loan officer and your accountant work together can go such a long way because I always get clients that ask me, what should I do? What should I let my accountant know? I personally don't know. I don't deal with that part of the transaction. So you would want to make sure that you're speaking to your loan officer, your mortgage broker, and reference to that. So you're preparing yourself appropriately to make sure that you're staying in the budget that you want and that you're going to be able to get a reasonable pre-approval because some people can get a pre-approval, but if it's too low, then we're really not going to get anywhere. So working with both of them together is just going to help you that much more.
Yeah, and sometimes you don't always have to show tax returns. There are alternative ways that you can qualify for a home purchase, whether that's using business or personal bank statements,
Mm-hmm.
whether that's a profit and loss that's signed off on by your CPA. There's a variety of ways that we can calculate income and get to that end goal, but without having those conversations and understanding how your taxes are broken down. Um, it's not always the biggest benefit to write everything off as a business owner, as appealing as it is. When it comes to trying to qualify for a home loan,
Mm-hmm.
you may think you make so much more money, but your taxes are going to say otherwise. And ultimately, the bank is going to look at that to determine what you can and can't afford. So, knowing your alternative outlets and your alternative loan programs, but also having an understanding of what you're truly qualifying for when it comes to filing those taxes.
For sure.